Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your gallery and selecting the exact image you want to link. Make sure the photo is fully loaded so the system can generate a valid link. If it's offline, sync, or view at once. Tap the picture to reveal the action icons, then choose Share or More options. Once you tap Share, the OS will offer apps and services. Pick the cloud or the app that can create a shareable link. This first step prepares the file for link generation and sharing. Now you create the actual link. From the Share menu, select a cloud provider or the gallery's own Create Link feature. That generates a unique URL referencing the photo. If the service asks, set permissions, view only is safest, so recipients can open without editing. Wait for the app to finish uploading if needed. The link won't work until upload completes. Once the system shows a link, tap Copy Link or Copy to Clipboard. This copies the URL, so you can paste it wherever you need it. Finish by pasting the copied URL into a chat or browser to confirm it opens the image. If it doesn't work, first confirm the upload completed and that permissions allow external access. Change to view only if sharing fails. If the link still breaks, delete the draft link in the cloud, re-upload the photo, and create a fresh link. As one quick troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode briefly and reconnect before recreating the link to clear network hiccups that block link generation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.